Hey everyone, Frank's Detailing here. Today we're applying Servfaces ceramic coating. I'm gonna walk you through the process. We started by doing the wheels and tires, then went on to the rinse process to rinse off all the heavy dirt particles. After that, we gave the car a nice foam bath and then applied Iron-x by CarPro to eliminate all iron contaminants off the vehicle. After that, we went ahead and foamed the car again and gave it another bath, just to make sure we had everything off. After we dried the car, pulled it in and did a nice clay bar on it. This eliminated any more contaminants that were in the paint. After the clay bar, we went ahead and gave it a nice one-step polish just to remove any scratches from the car's paint. After this, we did a nice IPA wipe down, which will remove all polish from the paint, so that way you have a nice clean surface for the ceramic coating to stick to. So after the IPA wipe down, we did the ceramic coating, and we went ahead and put a layer of Servfaces ceramic coating on top of this beautiful Corvette, and the results were amazing. Whenever I get my pad, it's cut a line on each side. So we're filling here, on this side. This allows me to do is tuck in my suede applicator. So that way I don't get any drag whenever I'm applying the ceramic coating. Some benefits to having a ceramic coating on your car is that with the regular wax or sealant, you're only going to get about 1 to 8 months worth of protection and gloss. And with the ceramic coating, you're getting 1 to 2 years of protection and super amazing gloss. Now, another benefit is when dirt, dust, mud, all that road tar gets on your vehicle, whenever you wash it off where it rains, it's gonna beat up and roll off of the vehicle, which is amazing because that's part of the self-cleaning capabilities of it. Another thing that's really good about the ceramic coating is its UV protection. So without any protection on your vehicle, your paint's clear coat is gonna fade, and that's when your car starts to get that ugly, distorted color. With the ceramic coating, we avoid this. So notice how the ceramic coating is nice and even on the vehicle. This is because he's applying no pressure now. We already have the ceramic coating on there, so there's no need to apply more pressure. He's just evening out the surface so that there's no high spots whenever the ceramic coating flashes and is ready to wipe off. So notice how the car, you can see the smears right here. So we're wiping off the ceramic coating, and this is where it sometimes helps to have a spotlight, because what we're looking for is a surface with no smears on it. So sometimes whenever you have these smudges right here, it's with no pressure, evening them out. And as you can see, we have no smudges in the ceramic coating now. Whenever you see these smears, that's when you know you're getting high spots. So when the ceramic coating dries, you're gonna be able to see high spots, especially on a black car like this right here. Ceramic coatings are often referred to as a nano or glass coating. This is because they bond to the molecular structure of the paint, so that way when the car vibrates or is on the road, it's not gonna fade off like a typical wax or sealant will. You can think of a ceramic coating as a sacrificial layer on top of your clear coat, because it is 2 to 3 times harder than the clear coat on your paint. And you can also think of it as wearing a second coat of skin. It's just a great way to protect your vehicle. Thank you guys for tuning in. Special shout out to Servfaces for sending us their product to test. It's a very good ceramic coating, makes your car super glossy and adds tons of protection to it. If you like this, please like and subscribe our YouTube channel for more content on how-to detailing videos. Follow us on Instagram, follow Servfaces on Instagram and Facebook, visit their website, check them out. You guys have an awesome day. Let's get it.